Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you camera tips and tricks for the Asus Zenfone 10. So first of all, now let's start from the volume buttons. They are located on the right side, and when you click and hold one of this button, I mean just click once, volume up or volume down, you can just take the photos. When you click and hold volume up, you can just record the videos, and the same for the volume down button. So if you want to quickly record videos, you don't have to switch from the photo mode, you can just click the volume button. Next, when you go for the shutter speed, for the shutter button, we can basically do the same, but right here we can move this shutter to this lock, and right now we don't have to hold this button anymore, and the video is still recording. So in my opinion, it's a little bit better function. When you swipe up like that and move this shutter, move and hold, you will take the series of the photos, and as you can see, we can actually take a lot of photos, even the 100 photos actually. That's a lot. And when you move your shutter like that, you can set up a delay to your shutter. So when you set up like that for 5, after the 5 seconds the photo will be taken, and there's also the countdown with the flashlight. Take a look. So in this shutter, actually we can find few useful options, like I show you. That's the series of the photos, shutter delay, and there is also the record video option with the lock. And okay, next we can just click on the screen and then move this sun icon up and down to increase or decrease the brightness level. You can also just click on the screen once and you will adjust the brightness level automatically. Next, you can just click on this arrow and you will open menu with the flashlight. So if you want to activate the flashlight, you can just get it right here. But when you click on the settings icon, we will move to the settings of this phone, where you can find useful options, like for example, we can switch to the high resolution mode, the 50 megapixel mode. And right now let's try to take the photo. Okay, I just take the photo. Right now take a look for some details. As you can see, thanks to this mode, we can find a little bit more details on our photos. So it's definitely a useful feature. Let's turn it off right now. And as you can see, we can find the touch shutter. So right now, when you just click on the screen, okay, looks like, that's weird. The photo wasn't taken. One more time. Let's take a look. Okay, I just turned it on and it was turned off. Weird. One more time. Okay, right now it works. So there we go. When you click on the screen, you can also take the photos on this Asus Zenfone 10. As you can see, there's also other useful options, like for example, we can use the screen off shortcut. So when you open it, you can, for example, let's turn it on for the first. We can, for example, quick launch the camera and shot 3 photos, and we have to double press the volume button, volume up or down. We can also record the video, open camera or open the front camera. Honestly, I'm gonna use the quick shot, so right now just turn off the screen, click 2 times quickly on the volume button, and as you can see, the 3 photos were taken. And there is also the mark that the photo was taken with the quick shot method. Okay, let's go back for the camera. And when you want to use other options, useful options on this phone, we can find, for example, the Pro mode of the camera. So it means that we can adjust a lot of parameters manually, like for example, the shutter speed, white balance, or the exposure compensation. And that's all camera tips and tricks for the Asus Zenfone 10. Hope you like it.